Lebanon is such a tight-knit community, and it's always so refreshing to see those who go away, but then come back to establish their business. And so, John Elder, you are one of those people. You went away to law school up in Michigan and wanted to actually come back here to your hometown and, really form a reputable law firm. So you've been practicing law for 11 years, but you're born and raised here. So why does this community just mean so much to you?
Well, as you said, born and raised in Marion County, it's always held a special place. To be candid, I never thought I'd move back home. Fell in love with my lovely wife, Ann Mason, and the rest was history. But having a practice in your hometown, I just think means more. These are the people that I grew up with, the family and friends that are now adults, have children themselves, and to be able to practice in a small community and provide a professional service and have people trust you throughout the entirety of your lives truly is special and gives a lot of purpose and meaning.
Oh, absolutely. And so Lebanon is a small town. It's about 7,000 people, but you, again, are dedicated to helping your clients. So what really inspired you to be a lawyer?
Yeah, I think at a young age, it was just one of those things. My father and mother would be like, well, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? And so I just chose to be a lawyer. No one in my family at the time had ever practiced law, so it was a goal to achieve a higher education at the standpoint in time. And then I think as school went on, I fell in love with the passion to try to help people, to try to build a reputation and a brand that I could really stand by, and here I am today.
And so this is a big weekend, Ham Days. I mean, so many people come back to Lebanon, either if you're from Marion County, 30,000 people show up every year. And so you are actually one of the title sponsors of it. So why is it so important to give back to your community?
Yeah, candidly, this is one of my first years of sponsoring the entire event, being a marquee sponsor. And really, that's more for the community from my family and I. Without Lebanon, without Marion County, there is no Johnny Rocker. And so it means the absolute world that the community entrusts me with their legal services, whether it be personal injury, estate planning, wherever the case may be. But being able to give back to my community, being a marquee sponsor of such a wonderful event, so much time and effort goes into this event to make it so special. To be able to sponsor that in such a big way just tells the community that I care, that I'm here, and I'll always be here.
Well, and you're forward-facing to it too. Your place is right here on Main Street, so you truly have a front row seat to all the festivities. So I have to ask, what is your favorite part of Ham Days?
So now that I have children, they're 6 and 8, the favorite part has to be the parade.
Yeah.
Fortunately, we have a front row view to the Main Street parade, so there's nothing like getting about 20 to 30 close family and friends together. We lock the doors outside and we all sit upside, and the main windows open those, and the kids hang out, and it truly is heartwarming to watch them watch the parade, to see all their fellow constituents go through, and so that's my favorite part. I wouldn't say that when I was younger, but now that I have kids, watching them watch the parade from the office is pretty special.
Well, yeah, now that you have 2 young kids, which are fun ages right now, what does it mean to start a family here? Because you grew up here.
Yeah, honest to goodness, having a family here, I think, is amazing. I think being able to instill certain values, whether it be religion, moral compass, whatever it may be, in them at such a young age in a small town is truly rewarding mentally and physically. Having the ability to take them to school every day, to know their teachers, to know their classmates, to know the parents of those kids, truly allows, I believe, the kids to have an even better environment to grow up in, because, again, it's almost like you are one big community, which we are, and so knowing those individuals on a personal and professional basis, I think helps my kids thrive in certain situations.
Well, and it probably helps you as a lawyer too, serving all of those. You're going to know the parents. You probably have fellow classmates too that you are now representing them in kind of a different way.
Yeah, candidly, whenever you're able to represent people that you actually know, and I think you get that more in a small town. Bigger cities, they may have a larger client pool because of the population, but here, my clients, the vast majority of the time, I know or have had a relationship with them, their parents, their grandparents, their nieces, their nephews, whatever it may be. And so knowing that individual who knows me and trusts me, I think it actually makes me work harder to put in more effort, because to be truthful, my reputation depends on my success. When you hire the rocker, you get the rocker. You're not, another number at my firm. You're someone personal. And that's the way I treat my clients, with my passion, with my hard work, with my work ethic, and I pray to continue to get great results.
Yes, and that's why you're right here located in the heart of Kentucky. So thank you so much for having us out today.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you so much. And please enjoy Ham Days and call the rocker.
Yes, surely do. So if you're interested in maybe learning more about his practice or just want to get in touch, just go over to johnaalderlaw.com.